with these homies, this is my girl. Why did they gotta front? What did we ever do to these guys that made them so violent? But you know I'm yours, and I know you're mine. Ooh, I look just like Buddy Holly. Oh, and you're married Tyler Moore. I don't care what they say about us anyway. I don't care about that. Don't you ever fear, I'm always near. I know that you need help. Your tongue is twisted, your eyes are slit. You need a guardian. And you know I'm yours, and I know you're mine. Ooh, I look just like Buddy Holly. Oh, and you're married Tyler Moore. I don't care